teaches discipline, kindness, teamwork, creativity, and the courage to dream big. We learn to respect others and to share and to in ourselves. On behalf of all students, I want to say thank you to our school, our teachers, our staff, and to our parents for making the journey so special. Happy 20th anniversary, Sarah Montessori. Hope we learn, grow, and shine for many more years to come. Thank you. Welcome to our world where impossible become possible, where curiosity leads to most extraordinary adventure. Today we invite you to step into the magical land of talking animals, rulers, creatures, and wonderful supplies. I am a student of 2025. My bag is heavy with books, but my mind is light with ideas. I learn about the world in my classroom and on the internet. Knowledge is everywhere, we just have to reach for it. We have cities inside giant glass towns. But even with all the technology, we never forget the planet that gave us life. In my times, we have found gold for the diseases that were thought impossible. We have achieved it because we never stopped asking questions and they will work together for the good of all.
wonderful girls. Super. Big round of applause, parents. Minati. Parents, come on, come on, come on. It's the last performance, so we want to hear more. Kids want to hear more, parents. Come on.
നാടിൻ നന്മകനെ പൊന്മകനെ മുത്തായവന് ഇന്നും സൂര്യനും ചന്ദ്രികനും നയവൻ കാലം കത്ത് വച്ച രക്ഷകനെ സിംഹാരകനെ എന്നും കണ്ണനായി വന്നവനെ ഭയമേ മാറിപ്പോയി അണ്ണൻ വന്ന വിട്ടുമില്ല ഇരുട്ടിൽ സിറ്റി വാടും രാജാപുത്രി എല്ലാതും സുല്ല ഇവനെ കുറുവാനായി ജനത്തിലൊക്കെ കാലം എടുത്തു വച്ച സ്വർഗം